Hi everyone, welcome back to another story time. Today I have for you Kitten's First Full Moon by Kevin Henkes. Kitten's First Full Moon. It was Kitten's first full moon. When she saw it, she thought, there's a little bowl of milk in the sky, and she wanted it. So she closed her eyes and stretched her neck and opened her mouth and licked. But Kitten only ended up with a bug on her tongue. Poor Kitten. See, there's the bug on her tongue. Still, there was the little bowl of milk just waiting. So she pulled herself together and wiggled her bottom and sprang from the top step of the porch. But Kitten only tumbled, bumping her nose and banging her ear and pinching her tail. Poor Kitten. Still, there was a little bowl of milk just waiting. So she chanced it, down the sidewalk, through the garden, past the field, and by the pond. But Kitten never seemed to get closer. Poor Kitten. Still, there was the little bowl of milk just waiting. So she ran to the tallest tree she could find, and she climbed and climbed and climbed to the very top. But Kitten couldn't reach the bowl of milk, and now she was scared. Poor Kitten, what could she do? She's all the way up at the top, and now she's very frightened. Then, in the pond, Kitten saw another bowl of milk, and it was bigger. What a night. I don't think it is that she's seeing right there. I bet you guys know. So she raced down the tree and raced through the grass and raced to the edge of the pond. She leaped with all her might. What do you think's gonna happen? Poor Kitten. She was wet and sad and tired and hungry. So she went back home. And there was a great big bowl of milk on the porch. Just waiting for her. Lucky Kitten. What a night. The end. So I hope you guys are still staying safe and healthy out there, and hopefully things will reopen soon, and I'll see you soon. All right, bye.